Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a review of the 35C Everyday Chic eyeshadow palette by Morphe. I'm going to be showing you guys the colors. Here are the shade names, and these are the colors that you guys see right here. For this look, I used this green shade, this brown shade right here, this pink shade, and this pink shimmery shade, and yeah, that's about it. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys all the products that I use on my face, and yeah, that's about it. If you guys would like to see how I did this beautiful look, just keep watching. So guys, now for the review. I am super happy with this eyeshadow palette, and I really liked it because when I bought it, I was like, I don't have all my other eyeshadow palettes are like too colorful, and I really wanted like a neutral, like chic looking eyeshadow palette, and Morphe, you know, as always, where they got this new one, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna buy it because none of my eyeshadow palettes look like this specific one. So I got it, and I really love the shades that I used. They all blended so beautifully, and I really enjoyed using it. Am I a neutral girl? No, but like I'm going to try to do more neutral looks, and this one looks really pretty. And also new hair, I know. But yeah, I think that's about it. That's all for my little tutorial slash review of this new Morphe 35C Everyday Chic palette. I hope you guys loved this video. If you did, please subscribe, hit the like button, and comment down below what would you like to see from me. And I'm going to be leaving my socials down below in the description box. Thank you guys so much. Bye.